Do you always worry about dust in your car? Do you often worry that the cleaning brush will scratch your car? And are you looking for a car dust brush that is soft and does not leave scratches? In this video, Automotive Care brings 5 best car dusters in 2021. These 5 are the best car dusters. You can choose any one for your use. We have put together all the products in list and mention their links in the description box. Let's move towards the list. The 5th duster is BZ's EZH Car Duster. This premium car duster has extra large dusting head surrounded with thick soft microfiber. The high-power dust or dirt removing performance can suck up dust, dirt, pollen or residue in one pass, all done way. The handle of this car cleaning duster made from high-quality stainless steel telescopic rod, end of handled soft fiber covered for more comfortable use. The extendable handle allows for easy access in hard-to-reach areas. The lint-free car duster has microfiber bristle without scratching, perfect for exterior and interior use. It owns strong adsorption force and can easily remove dust. The professional car details duster clean and shine your car home or outdoors, help you save more time and more money. No need for hazardous chemicals, just use water or air dry. This car duster is washable and reusable. This car wash long-handled duster can be easily remove dust, dirt and pollen from car surfaces, air vents, leather car seats, windshields, hoods, doors and windows. The 360-degree electrostatic microfiber leaves no trace and sucks up the dirt and dust quicker. This car duster is one of car accessories that you must have. For more information, visit to the link. The 4th duster is Automotive Car Duster. This microfiber car dust brush will meet your needs. The waxing brush bristles are made of ultrafine microfiber material that is often used to wipe optical lenses. The car cleaning duster supply is especially soft and difficult to scratch the paint surface. The lightweight and compact microfiber strings trap and lift the dust, and will not scratch or streak your car, motorcycle, trucks, computer and household items like windows, leather shelves, appliances, patio furniture, ceiling fans, boats, RVs and hard-to-reach places. The car wash brush with strong adsorption force can easily remove dust and dirt. This microfiber car duster is recommended to use them when they are dry, for the static electricity generated makes it easier to absorb dust. The ergonomic design feels soft and comfortable, both non-slip and lightweight, and increased grip strength can be easily operated. In addition, you can pass the car cleaning kit interior through a handle hole and hang on a hook for easy storage and next time use. A removable microfiber brush head that is wear resistant and firm and can be repeatedly cleaned and reused for many times. For more information, visit to the link. The 3rd duster is OCM Car Duster. The OCM Premium Car Duster is the best choice to help keep your car looking clean and like new between car washes. Its rugged hardwood construction and design is quick and easy to use while saving water and natural resources. It is safe and non-toxic and can be used on all automotive paint finishes. OCM use multiple rows of thick that are long 100% cotton fiber threads that are heat infused with a specially formulated wax. This wax enables the duster to help lift the dust, pollen and debris from your vehicle's surface safely while leaving a protective wax coating for the just washed sheen. Its long and wide design allows access to reach higher and lower areas. This car duster is ideal for multi-purpose duster for a variety of vehicles. The duster will perform better on cool and dry surfaces. It's ideally 65 to 75 degrees and preferably in the shade. This duster is designed for light dusting in between car washes only and should never be pressed or rubbed on your paint surface. The more it is used, the softer and better it gets. The duster will gradually turn black but will continue to pick up dust for years of trouble-free service. For more information, visit to the link. The 2nd last duster is California Car Duster. The original California Car Duster literally works like magic. It utilizes the proven technology of baking a special paraffin wax into 100% cotton strands to assure dust is lifted and removed, not just pushed around. The 100% cotton mop heads of the duster is treated with a special paraffin wax that literally lifts dust from the vehicle's surface. The original California Car Duster gives cars the appearance of looking just washed. The traditional classic handle and heavy-duty mop head preferred by car show entrants and enthusiasts. The California Car Duster Standard Car Duster with plastic handle is an economical version of the classic California Car Duster. This version still uses the signature baked-in wax treatment, but features a plastic handle. This car duster has a 26 inches long plastic handle and a 15 inches mop with cotton strands. The cotton mops are treated with the signature California Car Duster wax that quickly removes like dust from your automobile without scratching. This is a standard car duster that is great for maintaining most cars, trucks and SUVs in between car washes. For more information, visit to the link. The first duster is Relentless Car Duster. You shouldn't have to worry about how dirty your car dashboard looks on the way to pick up a date. Grab this car duster out of your glove box and wipe it clean. The main problem with some car detail brushes is that they are too big to be used in many places. It includes the Ultimate Car Duster Exterior and the Ultimate Car Duster Interior. It comes with mini car dust cleaner with 10 inches. Dusting head is big enough to get your dash dust free quickly but small enough to leave in your glove box. The perfect size for almost any place that needs dusting. You won't have to worry about a bucket full of interior car wash supplies to clean the dash. This car duster can replace all the sprays, wipes and napkins. The electrostatic microfiber chenille makes sure dust doesn't get left behind no matter where you are. This car dust brush with telescopic handle and non-slip grip design is convenient and safe. The 360-degree electrostatic microfiber dusting surface sucks up the dirt and dust quicker, so you only need to stretch the bar to reach high and far areas. This car duster is great for interior detailing or exterior cleaning for car, motorcycle, trucks, RVs or SUVs. The Ultimate Duster Kit keeps your interior and exterior dust free, lint-free and scratch-free. Relentless Drive. The ultimate in car care accessories to keep your car looking spotless. If you want the best in dusters, sponges, brushes, microfiber towels and more, then buy the Ultimate. For more information, visit to the link. These 5 are the best car dusters. You can choose any one for your use. For any information about all these car dusters, visit to the links in the description box. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.